Okay, I'm looking here at Wikipedia and looking at the El Nino. And it says winters during the El Nino effect are warmer and drier than average in the Northwest, Northern Midwest, and Upper Northeast United States. So those regions experience reduced snowfalls. Meanwhile, significantly wetter winters are present in the Northwest, Mexico, and the Southwest United States, including Central and Southern California, while both cooler and wetter than average winters in the Northeast Mexico and Southeastern United States, including the Tidewater region of Virginia, occur during the El Nino phase of oscillation. It's important to note here that there are many that are crying out, hey, we've got global warming, global warming, global warming. Well, this is an effect that's been going on for years. And we know that there are El Nino storms happening right now. If you want to read about El Nino, then come to this Wikipedia. You can read about it. The people that are touting global warming know that some of us that actually know what's going on are going to come here. And so they actually have a line in here. I'll show it to you. About the global warming. Oh, here it is. Measurements and simulations have found that climate change has created a tendency toward more extreme El Niños in recent years. Notice what it says right there in the blue. Qualify evidence. In other words, they don't have any evidence. But anyway, this tells you the story behind why it's called an El Nino effect, what there is with the opposite, the La Nina, what is happening in the Pacific, how the temperatures actually vary and the weather patterns actually vary, and what we are seeing is not because of global warming. It is a weather pattern that happens cyclically. So we as Christians should not be soon shaken in mind, but we should know that God is on his throne, and we are not going to be deceived. Not going to be deceived by man-made contrivance of global warming when something of that nature does not exist. Let me just say that as we're looking at this evidence and we're looking at whether the earth is warming or not, these are things that we need to keep in mind. As scientists, we shouldn't say, well, the earth isn't warming. We shouldn't just throw that out the window. We should actually take the data, okay? And looking at the data right now, we're in an El Nino effect. And so that data shows that, hey, we have a lot less snow and a lot warmer weather during these El Nino effects. We know we're in one, and so we should relax and not get upset over this climate agenda that's being touted right now, where we have kings of the earth and others that are saying, hey, the climate has changed. We need the facts. We need more study. So the purpose of this video is to hopefully let others see and know what is actually going on in the world today. These are weather patterns that have always gone on, and it's like Solomon said, there's nothing new under the sun.